In this video, I'll show you how to export all layers as separate PNG files in Photoshop. Let's get started. Make sure each item you want to export is on its own layer. Go to File, hover over Export, then select Layers to Files. In the window that opens, choose where you want to save your files. Under File Type, select PNG. Check Transparency if you want your PNGs to keep their transparent background. Click Run, and Photoshop will automatically export every layer as an individual PNG file. That's it. All your layers are now saved as separate PNGs. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.